So, children, we are learning about the development of a country or anything. So, for the development of a country, if we take a country, so it is very important that there should be a sustainable development in the nation. Actually, what is sustainable development? Sustainability of development is the process which fulfills the need of present generation without causing any harm to the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. For an instance, for example, there's a reserve of petroleum, and there are so many industries, so many factories, refineries, and people are utilizing petroleum in a vast scale. So we should do the sustainable use of the petroleum. We should not exploit that petroleum reserves. Otherwise, what will happen in future, or the future generation will not be able to get that resources because we have already exhausted or exploited. So sustainable development is a process to meet present need of the present generation without compromising the need of the future generation. Now, if we talk about, there are so many problems, right? Economic development in the developed countries and developing countries has been attained at the cost of natural resources and environment. Example, for an instance, excessive mining of iron, uh, gold, silver, or coal, and extraction of crude oil leads to depletion of the stock of these resources. Right? Smoke and other poisonous gases being released from factories and other poisonous gases which are being released from factories lead to environmental pollution. So there are so many problems, or problems of water and air pollution are affecting the lives of people and will affect lives of future generation also. So there are some measures which I have shown you in a flow chart. Through these measures we can easily do the sustainable development. The first way is by controlling over exploitation and creating an awareness to provide sustainable development. Second, what we can do, we can increase the use of renewable resources. We all know what is renewable resources, which can be renewed many times. Another thing, less use of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, we all know, which are limited in quantity, right? Which are made up of plants and animals, those who have died millions of years ago. So the fuel which is formed from the dead and decayed plants and animals are known as fossil fuels. So they are limited in quantity, like petroleum, coal, etc. So less use of fossil fuels should be there. Another way is to introduction of organic farming. If we do organic farming means doing farming in a natural way without the use of chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, right, which destroy the quality of soil. This is also one of the sustainable way to do sustainable development. Another is adopting measures to reduce global warming. How the global warming is creating, day by day the rate of the pollution is increasing in the environment, which leads to global warming. So if we reduce global warming, ultimately we'll proceed towards sustainable development. Other ways are, if it requires preservation of stock of resources, including exhaustible natural resources and environmental resources. And so if we talk about the recent studies, so recent study shows that the groundwater in India is exhausted because of its overuse. So 1/3 of the country is overusing its groundwater reserves. If we talk about another area of concern is exhaustion of natural resources. So the resources of crude oil would only last for 46 years more in the whole world if it is used at its pace. So by using these measures, we can easily do the sustainable development, which is very necessary. So children, you should learn sustainable development, you should exercise sustainable development in your life, and so you should teach others also. You should teach to your family, to your friends, to your neighbors about the sustainable development. Thank you.